Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going out of Sawpit boat ramp, which is North Jacksonville, and we're headed to Nassau Sound. Man, we're gonna go fishing for big bull reds, possibly tarpon. If we don't catch anything like that, we're gonna go inshore. We're gonna hit up some redfish, flounder, trout, things like that. We don't get out this way very often. I'm going with Get Out of the House and Go Fish with Mike Bennett. Check him out on YouTube. I'll put a link in my description below for his channel as well. It's gonna be a fun day. We're doing a little collaboration out. Stay tuned. Well, Mike just pulled up in his Mako that we're taking out today. Get Out of the House, Go Fish. Yeah. We're getting ready, getting geared up. It's gonna be an excellent morning. Fish or no fish, we're gonna have fun either way. I think there's gonna be fish though. Dang, I need to walk on that marsh over there.
We gotta run. Okay. There's a bunch of rocks right down here.
Yeah, right here, right?
You can see them.
Oh, heads up, heads up. Watch your face, watch your face, watch your face.
You might catch a rock. Well, you got bait.
I think we got some. I think we got some mullet. The mullet run is here. Yes. Mike, we got them. Yeah. This is going to be difficult putting them in without them jumping out. Yeah. Step one complete. I've been initiated for the boat. That's right.
That's all that matters, right?
Yep.
Get that bait.
All right. Onward to victory. There we go, fish on. Oh, it's a pig fish.
Oh, it's a good shark bait.
Yeah, I thought it was a pinfish. Hey, it's oinking.
Yeah. It won't be a sheep, that's right. It won't be a sheep. Oh, it's a red. It's a red.
No, it's running like a red. Head first, head first.
Yep, go. All right. All right. Awesome. Thank you, buddy.
Hell yeah. First one of the day.
Teamwork.
Heck yeah. That's a slot.
That is. That's a good one.
This is a 20-inch red.
Close to, well, pinch the tail, yes. It's 20 when you pinch it. Yep, that's it, 20 inch. All right. Nice. Yeah, you put that trolling motor down?
Yeah. Look at this pelican landing over here on this dock. Let's get this trolling motor down. She's down. This thing's a lifesaver. This trolling motor. It's the best for creeping up on stuff. Cheaper?
Flounder.
Flounder, flatty. Hey.
That's a little guy.
Yeah. All right. We just saw a tarpon roll up on top, so we're gonna switch it over. Try our luck with some tarpon fishing.
Ooh, see it?
Yep.
As you go to hit. All right, so just had a tarpon blow up right here. So they're definitely here. Just put a finger mullet on and just kind of like, we'll see if we can get a hook up.
Today's my lucky day.
That's it.
It is my birthday this month. Landing's a different thing. I'd be happy with just a jump, you know. Just waiting for it to roll so I can throw on the back side of it. Yeah, this is an excellent fishing vessel, this Mako right here. I'm super blessed and lucky to be out here. We Get Out of the House and Go Fish. Mike Bennett right there. He's trolling us over here. So technically we're bridge trolls. Right now. Technically. Don't jinx it. I hope so. They're blowing up right here in front of us. I might need to throw the net and get a bigger bait. Oh yeah, it's prime time. It's lunchtime for these guys. Oh, they're right down there. They're right at the end of my rod tip. There's a whole school. Oh, look at him. They're chasing him all the way up there.
Going out here on the kayaks, we're just going back and forth with the mullet in the water. And all we do is just troll back and forth until we get a hook there. So
You got a trolling motor.
yeah, so I just kind of go back and forth until hopefully we get on.
Well, that's the thing. There's just so much bait to choose from, you know? It's like, they gotta be like, ooh, this guy looks like he's in trouble. Yep, something's on. We're zinging. No, this hook, there we go. Had to set the hook just a little bit. Oh, come on.
It's on, right?
No,
No?
it snapped something. I think my braid broke. No, I'm completely loose. No weight, nothing.
Oh, it's probably a shark? Yeah, probably a shark. Do come up from the bottom.
Alberto.
Start wrapping. That's where you speed it up.
Speed up footage. It's the sound.
And then I'm just gonna pull that real tight. That slides down.
Tied me up with an Alberto knot. Look up Alberto knot on the Get Out of the House and Go Fish channel. I'll put a link in the description. That's pretty cool. From braid to mono. I thought you brought that shovel in case I pissed you off. You're gonna bury me or something. On a deserted island. Yeah, I meant to say, comment below if you know why it's called the Alberto knot. I'm assuming it's named after a guy named Alberto, but if you know a more specific answer, leave a comment below. Let us know what that comes from. I thought it was just his brother-in-law or something that taught him. Yeah, this is Alberto's knot. He's my brother-in-law. We tried for tarpon. Tarpon were rolling, but we just could not hook up. We hooked into a couple sharks. They took our stuff. The wind started picking up, so we decided to come sheep's head fishing. And pray, you know, crossing our fingers.
Oh no!
No.
Oh, yeah, it's back on. Yeah. Oh, it's like yes, no, yes, no. There we go. Yeah. He kept going back after it?
Yep, he came back for it. Got him on a bottom sweeper jig. Piece of.
Oh, quick, you threw him in.
Yep. Yep, this is a.
That's gotta be a red, right?
It's running like a red or a shark. Let's see if I can gain some ground on him. Yeah, he's starting to see him right there. It's just a sandbar shark. Oh no, 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 it's a nice bonnet head. That's a good bonnet head. This is eating if you want to eat it. Yeah, we caught it. Well, I would like to get my
Get the net?
yeah. Oh, oh. It's not like that. I don't know. Where's my pliers? I got them. I don't want them to thrash up your net. All right. Okay. She going. Ah! Thanks for holding the rod. Oh, we're getting backwards wake. What does backwards wake mean? Something swimming towards us. Oh, it was. Wait, no, something's chasing it. Look, something's chasing it.
Oh, wait a minute. That's like a red or a blue? Oh, that's red? Yeah, oh, you got bluefish. Bluefish. Man, that's a nice bluefish.
Yeah, you keeping?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe we're gonna put this down.
You like bluefish?
No, not particularly, but if you do.
I'll keep a bluefish. Yeah.
Okay.
That's like they're pretty bloody.
That's a good size. That's a good size bluey.
Yeah, that's a good size bluey. Always measure from the fork with them. Right there, so a good like 14.
14 inch.
Yeah, 14 inch
from the fork.
Yeah, from the fork. Yep. Here we go.
Fork and A.
I love your comments, man.
Oh, thank you. That's what we're here for, man. We're here to have fun. Put your finger in there.
That's right. All right.
Yay! Fork and A.
You can't lip these.
What do you need to go in the cooler? Oh,
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm like blocking you. Haha! I blocked it. Yeah, we're getting real tiny. Oh yeah, this guy. It's definitely snug up. You got something small. Oh! I got a flatty.
Flatty. Yeah.
Hey! What do you think of that?
Yeah.
Boy. It's not a keeper. But it was on the shrimp.
There you go.
Right between the eyes. Dang. Sorry, buddy. Don't do it.
Ooh. Flipping around.
Not too graceful, my bad, but I had to make sure this hook didn't get us. That is a giant pinfish.
Yeah.
Tarpon bait. Shrimp really is by far the best bait. Holy crap. I mean, we caught more fish just on shrimp.
Oh.
What was that? Well, that wraps up our collaboration. We really didn't catch that much. I mean, we caught a lot of fish. We did catch a lot of fish. However, we didn't catch that many keepers. We got 2 keepers. But guys, thanks so much. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. And also go ahead and subscribe to Get Out of the House and Go Fish if you're not subscribed to his channel, but you probably already are. It's great seeing you guys. We'll catch you on the next video. Hey, keep it reeling.
With me, sail away.